Right, Tyler, so you scored 39 in the last paper one that I marked for you, so I'm looking for a big improvement this time. Let's see how you get on. Great up to there, so that's full marks to that point. Unfortunately, you haven't written down what the mode is. Now the mode is the number of children that occur most often, more than any other. So you can see there that 2 children occurs 10 times. So the mode is 2. So you lose that mark there, 17 marks for the page. So that's pretty good. That's fine. That's good. Those are wrong. You need to know what perpendicular means. You need to know what parallel means. I'm pretty sure you would have done those with Mr. Osborne. Watch how I go through that question on the video clip and make sure that you can replicate that. 5 for the page. Right, your only mistake there is that the units of area are centimetres squared. Centimetres is a measure of length, not area, so you lose the unit mark for that question. 7 for the page. Good. Right, here you need to say that x equals 8, not x8. So you're going to lose that mark just because of the way that you've written your answer. You need to be able to deal with questions like that. Have a look at my video clip and see if it makes sense and practice those. That's good. 3/8 is 18. Well done. 2166 is correct. That's right, well done. So for this question, have a watch of the video, and similarly with this, just like you've got this strategy, this method for doing the multiplication without a calculator, you need to get a method that you can use for subtraction. Take a look at how I resolve that, how I solve that question on the video, and see if you can do it yourself. 8 for the page. That's good. Unfortunately, that's a plus. So you've got minus 40 and then you're adding 7. So on your number line you're starting at -4 and you're counting up 7 will take you to plus 3t. So you lose a mark there. That's correct. That's correct. Now it's strange that you can answer that question, but then you can't answer the other ones, which is using the same table that you got from that. It's probably easier, rather than to write it like quarter, to write it out of the number of chances there. So there are 16 possible chances, and the number of those that are a 0 are 4. So you would write it as 4 out of 16, and then similar for the other 2. So you get 2 marks for that. You get 2 marks for that, and you lose a mark for the second part of it, and you don't get a mark there. 3, 4, 8 for the page. 62 is correct, well done, and 75 is also correct, good. 63 kilos is fine, and your line of best fit is good as well. So there's 5 for that. 11 for the page, good one, excellent. Okay, take a look at my explanation on the video for that, and similarly for this down here, but you've got all of that right, so that's good. And then the last couple of questions. You've got that one right, but you haven't attempted the others, so you'll get 1 mark for that. Take a look at my explanation for that. You got that one right. Unfortunately, c times c cubed would be c to the power of 4. The second bit is right, but there's only one mark for the question. For this one, you have correctly cleared out the brackets. So what you would now need to do is to simplify the d's first of all. So you've got 8d, and then you are subtracting 21. So you go from 8 down your number line 21 places. You'd end up at negative 13d. And then for the number part, you're starting at negative 12 and you're adding 15, you're moving up 15 places, you'd end up at plus 3. And there, again, watch the video and see if you can work out or follow what I've done. 5 marks for the page. So, as I said at the start, 39 last time. I think you've beaten that. Let's have a look. 17, 22, 29, 35, 43, 43, 51, 51, 62, 66, 71. Superb. Massive improvement and a rock solid grade C. If you can repeat that and maintain this level of concentration on the papers, Tyler, you will be flying in the summer. Good, I'm really, really impressed with that. Well done.